Vinod this side. Today we will study about growth through concentric and conglomerate diversification. It is a chapter of strategic management. Okay, let's move to the point. And this is also known as expansion through diversification. This strategy involves diversifying the value offering of the company in one of two methods. So the first method is concentric diversification. And what is concentric diversification? A growth strategy in which a company seeks to grow and develop by adding new product to its existing product line to attract new customers. So what happens in concentric diversification? Every company wants to innovate their product, wants to launch their new product. So what happens? Customer is generally getting bored by their old product. So company try to make innovative product, try to make new product to existing product line. Okay. uh, let's suppose we can take example of any car company. What happens in Tata company? What does they are making new cars, they are entering into the electric cars, CNG cars. So these are the new product line to attract the new customers. And the second one is the conglomerate diversification. Conglomerate diversification entails entering into new market either with an existing value proposition or by combining with another industry competitor. In the conglomerate diversification, what happens? You can like company try to enter into new market. Let's suppose any company is dealing the selling their product in India, okay, and but they want to enter in another country like America, Dubai, any other country. With the they can enter with their old product as well, and they can enter with the new product as well. I mean, they are trying with the combining product as well. Okay, and this strategy generally reduce specific industry risk such as an economic downturn. The profits of one value offering might offset losses in another business unit carrying difficult times. Basically, what happens if you diversify your market, and if the economic crisis will happen, then you can earn from the other country. Okay, the thing is that let's suppose I am a CEO of any company, and I have started my business in another country, in America. Okay, I was running my business in India, but currently I am running business in America as well. If economic crisis will come into India, what happens? I will not suffer from the economic crisis because I can earn profit in America. So this is the basic meaning of this expansion through diversification.